In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your Android phone keeps freezing. So whether your phone is unresponsive, lagging, or it's just freezing in general, I'm going to show you a few ways to go and solve this issue. Now, first thing you need to do is just go and unlock your phone like so. You can then use your finger to swipe down in the top right hand side, and that should bring up the control center like this. You'll then see this list of icons. Go and swipe down to expand this, and you'll see an option here called power saving. Make sure this is turned off and disabled. When you have this feature on, it can actually slow down your Android phone. Now, once you've done that, you can head back over to your home screen. You can then click on the icon in the bottom left-hand side, and then click on Close All in order to close all of the background apps. You could then scroll up and you'll need to go and open the settings. You could then scroll down this page and click on Device Care. Now select Storage, and just ensure that you have enough storage space on your Android phone. If you're running out of storage, this can be another reason why your phone slows down. You can also scroll down to the bottom and you'll find these suggestions. So if you have any cached files in the recycle bin or unused apps, then you can go and empty these files in order to save storage space. Now, once you've done that, head back over to the previous window. You can then come back over to the main settings page, and we'll need to scroll down and click on Software Update. Now, if there's any pending updates available, then you can go and click on the Download and Install button, and you'll just need to wait while it carries out the updates on your device. Now, once you've done that, head back over to your home screen, and you can also try uninstalling any apps that may be causing lagging or freezing issues. So if you've recently installed a new app, or you see an app here that looks quite suspicious, then what you can do is try uninstalling this just by holding down your finger on the app, and then you can go and press the uninstall button and click on OK. Now, if you have tried all of the steps so far and your phone is still lagging or freezing, the final solution is to try power cycling the device. Now, to do this, you can hold down the volume down button and the power button at the same time, and I'll do this with you now so you can see what this looks like. So we're going to keep holding these buttons down for around about 30 seconds. After about 10 seconds, the screen should go black. Just keep holding these two buttons down until the Samsung logo appears. So I'm going to keep holding them down, keep holding them down. As soon as you see the Samsung logo, you can go and release these two buttons, and that should now fix any freezing issues. Let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.